Namaste, Mudra.
Start.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hari Om.
Wait, I'll do first, and then you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste from
Hari
India.
Om.
Hari Om. This is Lugal's world. This is my world, and we're bringing you in the yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh, a very powerful yoga class. We want you to really get in touch with the spirit of this place, get into your body, and heal yourself through the medicine and the science of yoga. So I'm joined with me, Mahima. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. Namaste. Hari Om. Myself Mahima and I'm from Rishikesh. So today I teach Lugal traditional Hatha yoga with the flow of Ganga river. So we are doing yoga in nature, in mountains and the flow of Ganga. And I hope you like very well. So let we start. Shall we start? Okay. Okay. Put it. Okay. Okay. Now sit in a Sukhasana. Okay. Cross leg. First, open your leg in front. Dandasana. Okay. Now fold your leg. Fold your leg. No, like that. Fold your leg. Yes. Yes. Fold. Fold other leg. Now grip your right leg, right ankle to the right hand and put it in between your knee. Yes. And then hold your left ankle to the left hand and put it into behind the knee. Now, press your knees closer, more closer. Yes. Press more. Yes. Is it? No. Your hip, your thigh and knee in one line. Okay? Yes, this is the correct position of Sukhasana. Okay. Now, hands back. Hands back. Lift up your sternum. Yes. And your chin parallel to the ground. Yes. Now slightly your palms in Gyan Mudra on knee. Put your palms on knee, both the knee in Gyan Mudra. Yes. And gently close your eyes. Yes. Now focus on your breathing. Deep breathing. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale with the flow of Gangama and slowly exhale with the flow of Gangama. Bring your awareness to your beautiful soul, on your heartbeat, how your heartbeat pumps, how your heart works. And I'm saying that your heart is beautiful and look at your face, that your smile is so beautiful. So make a soft smile on your face and then deep inhale and exhale. Yes. Few more breaths. Inhalation and exhalation with beautiful smile. You are the purest soul of the God. You are the favorite child of the God. God is inside you and giving you a more positive energy, and whatever you want, whatever you manifest, God gives you a positive response. Now, slowly bring your awareness to your Muladhara chakra, which is just located at the below of the body, which is touches to the ground, and inhale from the Muladhara chakra and deep exhale from the Muladhara chakra. When you inhale, contract Muladhara chakra, and when you exhale, release Muladhara chakra. Yes. Now, bring your awareness on your Swadhisthana chakra, just below the navel, sacral chakra, which is represent the water, as we are sitting near Ganga Ma. So just imagine your thoughts, your emotions are flowing out like a Ganga Ma floating besides you. So with inhalation, take a positive energy in your body, and with exhalation, release any emotions, any tensions, go out and throw out to your body. Flow with Ganga. Your breathing process, your breathing pattern just parallel to the floating of Ganga, like river is floating, and the same thing like your breathing is floating. So imagine that your breathing connection is connected to the river Ganga, Ganga Maya. Okay? Now, slowly bring your awareness onto your Manipura chakra, on the navel region, belly button. Now, contract your belly button with inhalation. Release softly your belly button with exhalation. Now, take a deep inhalation with navel. Take more time with inhalation, 5 seconds, and take a deep exhalation. Feel the wind which goes inside you and which is come from your body outside. Feel the vibration of wind which goes inside by your nostrils and comes out to touches all your organs. This wind touches all your organs inside you and then comes out. So feel that this wind touches every organ of your body. Now, slowly and softly bring your awareness onto your beautiful heart, as like you, the Anahata chakra. Just locate it at your heart. Eyes still closed. Focus on your breathing. Now bring your awareness on your heartbeat, on Anahata chakra. Exhale from the Anahata chakra and inhale from the Anahata chakra. Now, slowly and very softly, bring your awareness onto your Vishuddhi chakra. There is a thyroid gland, thoracic gland on your neck, and focus on Vishuddhi chakra. Activate your Vishuddhi chakra with inhalation and with exhalation. You are so blessed, so beautiful that you are sitting near Ganga Maya and doing a practice of meditation and yoga. So focus and give a huge gratitude to the Ganga Ma and God. Yes. Now, slowly bring your awareness onto your Agya chakra. In between your eyebrows, there is the third eye of Lord Shiva, Adidev, Yog Mahadev. Activate your third eye and focus on your Agya chakra, just between your eyebrows. and focus on it. And imagine there is a brightest light, a yellow light centers in between your eyebrows and slowly making a round circle behind your body, making an aura of yellow light which is God gives you. So imagine this brightest light spread all over your body and behind, making a circle of yellow light, a aura, a positive aura of your body, of your beautiful soul, because you are a favorite child of God. God bless you. So now slowly, very gently bring your awareness to your crown. There is a Sahasrara chakra and spread all the petal of the lotus. Spread all the petal of the lotus just between in your crown chakra and focus on your crown. Inhale from the crown and exhale from the crown. Yes. Now bring your palms in Namaskar Mudra. Yes. Now we are chanting mantra to opening prayer. Okay. Now take a deep inhale and chant Om one time. Inhale, chant Om. Eyes still closed. Repeat mantra after me. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya Hari Om. Now gently bow down your head to the Namaskar and thanks to Lord Mahadev and Ganga Maya that we are practicing yoga today. And now bring your palm onto your knees and slowly open your eyes. Okay, are you fine? Feeling happy? Okay, now put your legs to the front in Dandasana. Yes, good. Straight legs in front of your body. Yes, very good. Now we are just doing a gentle movements of the toes. So move your toes front and back with inhalation and exhalation. Yes, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now feet together and rotate your palms clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you complete 10 rounds, then change the rotation. Other side. Yes. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When palms doing in front, then exhalation, and palms goes back, then it is inhalation. So do with your breathing concentration. Yes. Now hands on your thighs. Now bend your right leg towards you. Yes. And grip it behind, yes, under the thighs, and lift your right foot up Make sure that your knees straight. Push your foot towards you. Push it towards you, yes. And then down, yes. Lift up, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Make sure that your knees straight. Yes, straight your knees. Lift up and then straight your knees. Yes, like that. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Spine straight. Clip your elbows into the body. Yes. Turn them up. Yes. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now, flat your knee to the side. Fold your right leg. Fold your right leg and flat. Yes, like that. Yes. Yes. Now, with the right hand, hold your ankle up. Right ankle up. Yes. And just, yes, very good. This is a Shishupalasan. And swing back and front. Yes. Open your pelvic. Yes. Swing with inhalation and exhalation. Yes. Yes. Interlock your finger like that. Yes. And now rotate. Yes. Yes. Some gentle movements. We are opening the pelvic region. Okay. Move back. More back. More back. Yes. Now, foot on your mat with bend knee. Yes. Now, grip with hands under your foot, underfoot, and straight your leg up. Straight your leg up and push towards your head. Push. Yes. Back straight. Yes. In between your foot. Interlock your hands in between. In between, like that. Okay? Yes. Yes. Now straight and push towards your head. Yes. Now hold this position. Head towards the knee and knee towards your head. Yes. And bend your elbow to the side. Bend your elbow to the side. Yes. 1. Hold this position. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Few more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Nice. You are doing well. Okay. Now straight your leg. Now we are doing from other leg. Fold your leg. Grip under the thigh, first thigh, and then inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Press your heel to the front like a wall. Imagine like a wall. Heel to the front. Yes. Press more heel. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Yes. Now, flat your knee to the left side. Bend the knee and flat the knee to the left side. Yes. This is Shishupalasan. You know about Shishupal? Shishu means child. So, we are, lifting a child like that. So, this is called the Shishupalasan. And open the pelvic. Exhale, goes back. Inhale, come front. Okay. And swing as much as you can. Open your pelvic region. Left side pelvic. Okay. Very good. With inhalation and exhalation. And spine should be straight. Yes. Very good. You are doing so well. And your other leg in Dandasana. So make sure that don't loosen your grip. Yes. Open. Few more rounds. Open pelvic. Very good. Okay. Now put your foot on the mat. And now this time interlock your finger. First bend the knee. More bend. Yes. Now interlock in center. Not like that. Your thumb is under an interlock. Yes. And now inhale up. Yes, very good. Inhale up. Now your head towards the knee and knee towards your head. Yes. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Fold the knee and then down. fold the knee. Yes, this is right. Inhale up, fold the knee and down. Inhale up, stretch more, stretch the leg up and then exhale down. Okay, yes, this is the correct. Inhale up, yes, yes, isn't. Down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now inhale up and we are holding this asana. So push your knee towards your head and head down and hold. 1, 2, breathing softly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your leg and then swing your left leg to right and left. Just swinging. Soften your leg, thighs. Yes, yes, very good. You are doing so well. Okay, now coming into the butterfly pose. Your feet together. Yes, feet together. And your heels just near your perineum. Come closer. Come closer. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, yes, tightly grip your foot. Yes. And now push your back to the forward. Slowly forward. Bend your forward. And then gently with inhalation, straight your spine. Straight the spine. Yes. Push your buttocks down. Roll your thighs out. Thighs rotation out. Your shin bone touches to the ground. And then butterfly. Move like a butterfly with your thighs. Yes. Move. Make sure that your thumb is touched to each other. Big toes touching each other. Yes. And now, yes, very good. Move. Move. Move fast. Move fast. Fast. Yes. The feather of the butterfly is flying fast. Yes. Few rounds. And now push your thighs down. Touch the floor. Yes. With flying. With swinging. Swinging. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Yes. Fast swinging. Fast swinging. A little bit pressure on your thighs, inner thighs, pelvic region. Yes. Now. Okay. Now stop the swinging and gently hands up. Raise your hands up. Yes. Straight your hands. Your hands just no fit to the perineum. Otherwise you don't feel the stretching. Yes. So we are just difficult the asana, not easier. So closer. Roll your arms in. Yes. And your eyeballs facing each other. Yes. Look into the front. Your fingers together, thumb together. Sharpen your hands like a knife. Yes. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight your trunk up. Pit of the abdomen. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's difficult. 9, 10. Now hands on the mat in front in cup shape. In cup shape. Like that. And walk forward. Walk forward. Walk forward. More forward. More forward. Head down. Forehead down. Yes. Move your trunk forward and down. Yes. Yes. Good. Forward and down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently go back with your hands and raise your hands up one more time and down. Yes. Now, straight your legs in front. Yes. Now fold your both leg to the right side and coming into the Vajrasana. Just behind, back back sitting, back side of the mat, go back. Yes. Yes, your big toes together, heels apart, and yes, very good. Now raise your hands up, raise your hands up, and make sure that your fingers touches each other. In Hatha Yoga, fingers are not separate. This is like a knife, a sharp knife. Now roll your upper arms in and your elbows, the eye of the elbows facing each other. Yes. And your arms are parallel to your ears. Now roll inside and go back. This is the correct position of hands in Hatha Yoga. And hold this. Now lift your trunk from the pit of the abdomen. Lift, lift up. Yes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now place your hands on the mat, on the mat, on in front, and coming into the Marjari Asana. This is the Marjari Asana, you know. Yes, tabletop. And in Hindi, Sanskrit, it's called Marjari Asana. Marjari means cat. Okay. So now we are doing some gentle movements. In exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Yes, cow. Exhale down. Inhale up. Wow, you are doing so well. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Wow. Exhale down. Inhale up. Okay. Now coming into the tabletop. Now we are doing the variation of tabletop. Lift your right hand up. Not this side. Lift your right hand up this side and see the palm. Yes. Now swing your right hand in between your left hand. Yes, straight. Now your head and shoulder on the ground. Your elbow, no, not straight this like that. And straight your hand. Straight more. Yes. And make sure that your hip in one line. Push like that. Yes. And stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now lift your right hand up and coming into the tabletop. Yes. Now left hand up. Swing in between the right hand. Straight your right hand out. Your left shoulder and head to the ground. Make sure that your hip in one line towards right side. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Breathing properly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming into the tabletop. Lift your hand up and then coming into the tabletop. Yes. Now from this asana, we are going to downward facing dog. So tuck your toes and lift your pelvic up. Yes, very good. Now roll your shoulder in. Your shoulder blades away from each other. Yes. And push your heels down, knee down. If it's slippery, then grip from the mat sides. By the sides like that. Okay, it's okay. Now push your thighs back, knee back and ankle back. Push your thigh back, knee back, calf muscles back and ankle back and make sure that your heel touches to the ground. Now push your chest towards your knee. Push your chest towards your knee for your spine becomes straight and your abdomen, your belly becomes soft. And inhale, take few breaths in it. Yes, stretch and firm your asana. Yes, very good. Hold this position. Hold more. Yes, focus on your breathing. Push your knee back. Push your knee back. First kneecap up and then push back. Yes. Now, feet together. Fit together? Yes. Now lift your right leg up from the thigh. From the thigh. And straight your leg. And toes inside. And heel press. Press your heel like imagine there is a wall. So push your foot to the wall and make sure that don't twist your pelvic straight. Yes, push more and push your chest towards your knee and hold this position. 1, 2, your hip, thigh, knee in one line. 3, 4, 5, yes, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knee and lift your knee up. Very good. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your pelvic region to the left side. Push up and bend. Yes, very good. Make sure that your heel and knee in one line. Yes, very good. Very good. 1, 2. Push your pelvic to the left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently back to your mat. Yes, very good. Now we are doing from the other leg. Lift your left leg from the thigh. Go back, go back. No, no, don't do. Go back, go back, go back. Now lift straight your leg and then lift from the thigh. Yes, this is the correct. Now push your heel. There is a wall. Imagine there is a wall. Yes, very good. Lift. Am I counting? And then you lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knee. Bend your knee. No, no. First bend your knee and then push up your knee. Yes, push up. Don't lift on my hands. Yes. 1, hold this position. 2, 3, breathing soft, breathing soft. 4, 5, don't lose this, don't lose this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knee to the right side. Bend your pelvic region. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Deep inhalation, deep inhalation. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go back to the mat. Go back to the mat. Knees down. And coming into the Balasana. Feet flat. Sit in a Vajrasana. Hands back. Head down. Head down. And hands. Restorative pose. Hands down. Yes, it's child pose. In Sanskrit, it's called Balasana because Bal means child and Asan posture. So it's child pose or Balasana. Okay. So now relax your shoulder, your elbow, wrist and palms and take a few deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, relax your body, relax your mind. And deep inhalation, exhalation. Prepare your body for the next asana. Soft your pelvic. In this asana, lift your abdomen up and down. Abdomen up and then push your buttocks down. Yes. Very good. Now coming into the downward facing dog once again. Yes. Yes, downward facing dog once again. This time, feet together. Feet together. Yes. Now stretch your hip, thigh, knee, ankle, back. Your chest towards your knee. Squeeze your inner line of the legs. Squeeze more. Yes, very good. And roll your shoulder out. Shoulder blades away from each other. and front ribs in. Yes, and neck should be easy and soft. Don't stretch your neck. Yes. Now we are doing a Raj Kapotasana. It is a pigeon pose. Okay. So lift your right leg to the front. To the front. Yes. Not in Asvasanchalan. Flat. Flat your right leg like that. Yes. Very good. Now flat your back leg. Flat this leg. Yes. Now make sure that your shoulder, elbow, no, straight. Shoulder, elbow, ankle is one line. So lift there. Yes. Yes, very good. Now this is not correct. If you want, yes, go your heel to your perineum. Yes. And your knee just bend to the right wrist. Yes. Bend like, yes, very good. This is the correct. Now fingers in cup shape. Fingers in cup shape. Now push the fingers to the mat and lift the trunk up from the abdomen, pit of the abdomen. Pit of the abdomen. Yes, this is the correct. Okay. And inhale up, look up, look up. Yes, very good. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder roll out, shoulder roll out. Sternum up. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now goes down with exhalation, head down, bend your elbows, head down, not like that, hands beside there. Yes. Now bend your elbow, head down, clip your elbow into the body like that, and shoulder up, shoulder up. Yes, good. Now inhale up. We are making 10 rounds of this. Inhale up and goes into the downward facing dog. Yes. Now we are doing from the left leg. Lift your left leg up and goes into the front in pigeon pose. Yes. Yes, very good. You are correct. Fingers in cup shape. Lift your trunk up. Inhale, trunk up. Very good. Very good. Inhale, trunk up. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure that your body is firm. Roll your shoulder out. Yes, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now palms flat, head down, elbows clip into the body, elbows clip into the body, and shoulder up and back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up, and coming into the downward facing dog. Now you understand? So we are doing 5 to 6 rounds back to back. Okay. Right leg in front. Right leg in front. Inhale up. Inhale up. Fingers in cup shape. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Coming into the downward facing dog. Now left leg in front. Left leg in front. Make sure that your knee and ankle is parallel to each other. Yes, good. Now inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, coming into the downward facing dog. We are making a rhythm of this sequence, okay? So now right leg in front. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, coming into the downward facing dog. Now squeeze your feet together. First feet together. Squeeze your legs. Left leg in front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. and then downward facing dog. 2 to 3 more. Right leg in front. Don't do like that. This is not correct. Yes. Is it correct? Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Elbows clip into the body, okay? Inhale up and coming into the downward facing dog. Left leg in front. Yes. Make sure that your knee and ankle is parallel. Yes. Inhale up. Lift your trunk to the abdomen. Abdomen to navel. Navel to chest. Lift up and look in front. Exhale down. Elbow band clip into the body. Shoulder up. Inhale up. Coming into the downward facing dog. 2 more rounds. Right leg in front. Now we are doing a little bit fast, okay? Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Downward facing dog. Left leg to the front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Coming into the downward facing dog. Now right leg to the front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Downward facing dog. Left leg to the front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Downward facing dog. Okay. Now feet together. Yes. Hold this position. Take a few breaths. Squeeze your inner line of the legs. Now, walking towards your mat to the center. Yes, feet a little bit apart, coming into the Uttanasana. Yes, stretch your leg on the mat. Yes, push your hands back besides your ankles and roll your head down towards your knee. Roll your head down towards your knee. Push your thighs, knee, ankle back, and your body weight on the big toes, not on the heels. So push forward. Yes, very good, very good. Now hold your ankle to the back side and roll down your head towards your shin bone or the knee. Yes, roll down. Very good. Elbows bend. Bend elbows, grip more. Bend elbows, grip more. Yes, very good, very good. Now push your thigh back, knee back, and move forward on your big toes, not on your heel. Yes, very good. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your head towards your knee. Push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands on the mat. Straight your hand and look in front with your chin. Chin lift up and look front. Chin lift up and look front and straight your spine. Your chin, no, hands on the mat. Just chin up and straight spine. Front ribs in, back ribs in. Back ribs in and straight your spine. Yes. Now hold this position. Now your body weight on your legs, not on hands. Now lift your hands to in front. Yes. Yes. And hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With inhalation. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now raise your hands up. Lift your hands up more. Roll your upper arms in. Shoulder relax. Yes, very good. And your fingers and thumbs touching to each other like a knife. Yes, very good. Namaskar Mudra and goes down and coming into the Tadasana, straight Samasthiti. Straight your hands. Yes, good. Now, we are doing a Trikonasana. So, like stand in front in between your mat. Your face in front of me. Yes, sit Center of the mat. No sit. Stand. Stand. Center of the mat. Yes. Now, look at me. We are doing a Trikonasana. First, we are doing Virbhadrasana Asana.
How's the mic?
Mike, it's green. It's green, ठीक था?
Let's use the other one. Maybe the battery went out.
Okay. Are you enjoying?
It's good.
Exactly.
Also, this is called the ankle, not the wrist.
Yes, this
So
is
this
wrist.
is wrist, not ankle. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm incorrect.
You called this the ankle.
Oh,
So I got
okay.
really confused.
Oh.
That's why I did this wrong.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries.
This is my mistake. Okay. Now.
Hopefully it didn't stop for too long. Otherwise, what we can do if it stopped for too long is we can do dubbing. So you can edit it and speak, dub over the audio that wasn't there. You
Yes.
can dub.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Yeah.
After the class, we dub it. This video, right?
If their audio is missing, some of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Now start. Okay. Now stand in the center of the mat. Okay. Yes. Hands on the waist. Now feet apart for 2 feet distance and 2 feet distance. Right leg, right side, and left leg, left side. Okay. One more. And your toes towards inside and heel outside. Yes. Make sure that in one line. This line. Make sure your arch of the foot on it, not uneven.
I don't think the math's getting.
Okay. Yes. You're both arch in one line, not back, not like that. Okay. Yes. Make sure. Okay. Now heels outside and toes inside. Yes. Now move your right foot to the right side. Yes. But make sure don't move pelvic in front. Okay. Now raise your hands up from the upper arms. Yes. Now move your right knee to the right side, but don't move your trunk in between, and move only the knee. And your knee don't overshoot your ankle. Knee and ankle in one line, and your body weight on your back leg. So push your inner thigh of the back leg, back side. Yes, your body weight not on the front leg, back leg. Yes, and hands in one line. Yes, very good. Move your trunk to the front. Yes. Now look at to the right side and hold this position. Now feel like you are a warrior. Your face grace is like a warrior because it's a warrior pose, Virbhadrasana. In Sanskrit it's called Virbhadrasana. And hold this position. Your body weight on your back leg. Press the outer line of your leg. Press it. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now straight your knee, hands on your waist, turn your toes in, and right leg in between and left leg in between. Yes. Now squeeze your legs like a doll. Okay. Now once again we are doing from other side. So same distance, open your legs. Open your legs. Yes. How to see me? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Open your legs. You are your leg back. In both legs in one line. So back. Right leg back.
Yeah, got it.
Dekho. I am making a line. This is not a correct. So, yes, this is correct. Now, raise your hands up from the upper arms. Yes, your thumb fingers touches to each other. Your both hands like a sharp knife. So don't loosen. Okay. Yes. Now move your toes, left toes to the left side, but don't shift your trunk. Your trunk in front. Yes, trunk in front. Now gently move your left knee to the left side, but don't shift your trunk. Don't shift your trunk. And knee and ankle in one line. Knee, don't overshoot your ankle. Yes, your hands also in one line. Very good. Hold this position and push your outer side of the foot to the ground. And make sure that your body weight on your back leg, not in front leg. Okay? So, and move and face like a warrior. Okay? Your face is like a warrior. So feel like a warrior. Yes, like that. So, and we are holding this position. Deep inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, 9, 10. Now hands on your waist. Bend your knee straight. Straight your knee. Rotate your palm to the front side. Now legs in between. Both the legs straight. Yes. Now look at me. Okay. Now we are doing Trikonasana. Okay. So straight stand and same feet apart for a 2 feet distance. Yes. Now rotate your right foot to the right side. Yes. Raise your arms up. Now push. Raise your right hand to the right up, and now rotate your palm to the outside. Okay. Now lift, go down your tongue to the right side. Go down, and your hand on your shin bone, and right hand up, and look upside to your hand or the sky. Very good. Very good. Make sure that your hand straight. Yes. And hold this position. Your body weight on your back leg, not in front. Yes. Now move your right shoulder to the front. Right shoulder to the front. Yes. Move your hip back, and your head is one line to your hip, and hold this position. 1, 2, 3. Breathe softly. Don't stop your breathing. Don't clench your tummy. Yes. 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale soft. Exhale soft. Yes. Now coming and lift your hand straight. Very good. Very good. Now turn your toes in front. Now hands on your waist. Now we are doing from the other leg. Okay. So left leg. Is it right now? Okay. Now turn your left leg to the left side, but don't turn your hip. So first goes back, turn back, and make your hand on your left hip. Yes. And then turn, but don't turn your hip. Don't turn your hip like that. Yes. Push your hip back. Yes. And no, not like that. Trunk in front. Yes. Yes. Is it correct? Okay. Now hands, raise your hands up. Yes. Hands up. Yes. Fingers together. Now, yes, very good. Now raise your left hand up. Left hand up. Rotate your palm to the front side. To the front side. Yes, this side. Left side. Yes. Now goes down and bend your trunk to the left side, and your hand on the shin bone, and right hand up, and look up. Look up. Yes. Look up. Very good. Your neck should be free. Don't stretch your neck. Okay. Yes. And hand straight. Yes. And make sure that your body weight on your back leg, and hold this position. Soft breathing. soft breathing, and if you are feel difficulty, then make smile on your face. So it gives a positive to your body. Okay, so smile. Okay, 1, 2, make smile. Don't clench your face. Smile. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give a smile message to your body. It's not difficult. I'm enjoying this asana. 8, 9, 10. Okay, hands straight and coming. Now toes in front, hands on the waist, and stand straight. Okay. Now we are ending the session. Okay. So lie down on your mat and we are enjoying the Savasana. Wow, nice. Now open your legs. Open your legs, hands. Yes, like that. And loosen your body. Fully loosen. Feel the warm hug of earth, a mother earth, hugging you tightly and softly. Oh, my child, oh, my beautiful child, give a hug. A mother earth calls you. You have two mothers near you. Mother Earth and Mother Ganga loves you a lot, gives you a positive energy, giving you so many blessings. Your all manifestations comes true. They gives you blessings. Relax your body. Relax your outer body. Relax your inner body, your inner organs and outer part of the body. Now, bring your awareness to the toes, your big toes, 4 fingers. Relax your big toes, relax your 4 fingers. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heel and the part of your foot. Relax and easy. Now slowly, with inhalation and exhalation, bring your awareness to your ankle. Loosen your ankles. If any stiffness, any pain in your body, so go throw out with your exhalation. Now, very softly and very gently bring your awareness to your calf muscles and your shin bones. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your shin bone. Now, very softly and very gently bring your awareness to your knees. Now, relax your knees, the part which is touches to the ground and the upper part of the knees. Relax your both the knees. Slightly chin towards your chest. Yes. Don't stretch, just loosen. Yes. Now, bring your awareness to your both thighs, the part which is touches to the ground and the part which is upper side of the thighs. Relax your thigh muscles and move with the Gangama. Move the energy in your body like a flow, like a Gangama floating besides you. So your inhalation just parallel to the float of Gangama, the floating river, the sound of the river. Imagine the breathing is a floating of Gangama, which is float inside your body and outside your body. Now, slowly bring your awareness to the pelvic region, the middle part of the body. Loosen your part of the body. Relax your body. And softly bring your awareness to the lower belly.